Welcome back. If you're tired of your Hayward salt cell stand leaking, as I was many years ago, get rid of it. That's what I did. And I built my own salt cell stand. I've had this for 4 or 5 years. And it goes on perfectly. And then you actually got a flat surface where you can put it right on the ground or slightly tilt it. This thing will not leak. So today I'm going to show you how to build your own salt cell stand. Stay tuned. All right, so we're on my little demonstration mat because I don't want to get my floor dirty. But as you can see, well, this Hayward salt cell stand that I made is nice and flat on the bottom. And if you got a flat surface, it will stand up. You know, bumpy surface, even if you gotta just like, you know, put it against the heater or a pipe on your pool equipment like this, it's really good and it's definitely not gonna leak. So on a flat surface like this, not a problem. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Pieces of equipment or pieces, you know, what you might need. I like wearing gloves anytime I have PVC cement, so I'm gonna just put on some black latex gloves. You can put any type of glove just to protect your skin. You're going to need to order a salt cell union, Hayward salt cell union. This is actually what you plumb your salt cell stand with, right? So you need to order this, right? That's actually what it is. It's 2 separate pieces, right? And to close it, the missing piece is this right here. This is a 2-inch, because this is 2-inch piping, right? This is a 2-inch Schedule 40 plug, okay? You don't want the one with the threads. You want this slip piece because it's actually gonna go inside and it's gonna get glued and pushed all the way in. And that's basically you know, the pipe. You don't want any other, actually, and nothing else is gonna work. So just go to Home Depot. I got a little clip. Go to Home Depot, the 2-inch section, right, and get yourself this little piece right here. Okay, boom. All you really got to do is, you don't need this for this part. Okay, you just need this 2 section, right? And the other thing you're gonna need is some clear PVC cement. Okay, clear PVC cement. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna get my gloves on. Got that. You're gonna want to do the inside of this and that, and then you're gonna put them together. Okay, let's go straight to it. Ooh, that smells strong. So let's get the inside of this. 1, 2, 3, and then this, and the whole thing. 1, 2, 3. Get straight into there. Push it all the way in. And you see I have some on top of that? Clean that off. You don't want anything on that. But so how easily it just pushed it all the way in. All the glue is coming out. That's it. Just let it dry. That's it. Just make sure if you got any glue that went on the O-ring on the top area, or even anywhere near the side like that, just gonna clean it on this towel. That's why I got it. And that is it. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. That's it. All right, continuation. So that's what we got. We got a nice little piece right here. I'm gonna go over the pricing, how much it costs to make this, you know. And again, this first piece that we had to order, right, which was this nut and this piece without it. This is the Hayward Salt Union adapter. This is that when you're plumbed, this is the actual piece that your plumbing will have this plumbed into your equipment. That's the piece that you need to order, okay? The link I'm going to leave is for one because you only need one. And this is all on Amazon. $14.90 for the actual Hayward one, the OEM, not the knockoff, okay? You could probably get them a little cheaper with the knockoff, but that's your risk if you want to do that. I think they're about $18 or $19 for a set of two. But I'm gonna leave, actually I'll leave the link for that and for this one. But this is, if I want something to last 5 or 6 years, I go for the good stuff and I spend the extra $5, $6. So that's one piece that you're gonna need, $14.90, okay? Then this actual cap that goes into it was $4.42, right? And then the cheapest, smallest container of clear PVC cement that was in Home Depot was $7.96. I'm gonna add this up, grand total, okay? 15, 8, 5, 13, under 30 bucks, roughly, under 30 bucks. The Hayward salt cell stand, the actual Hayward one is almost $40 on Amazon, and the knockoffs are 10 bucks. I'm gonna leave links for all this. You can try the knockoff one for 10 bucks. If it works, it works. But if you just wanna skip all that, if you've had problems with those and you just wanna get straight into this, I'm gonna leave a link for all this. And here's my surprise. If you're actually still watching this video at this point, the very first person that leaves a comment and says salt cell stand, you type it up, write it in the comment section, I'm gonna mail this to you, okay? I don't know how to communicate, so just leave that and then you'll get my email address and I'll give it to you. I've done this before. If you're still watching the video and you want this exact piece, the one that I made in the video, okay? Everything's brand new, everything, literally brand new, straight out the bags. I will mail it to you. So leave in the comment section salt cell stand and I'll mail this one to you. Leave some comments, likes, anything you want, subscribe. That's all I got this week. See you next time.